We come to you in Lantana, Florida for your iPhone and iPad screen repair. We don't believe that you should be without your favorite device any longer than absolutely necessary, which is why getting your iPhone and iPad repaired with Repair Hello is a fast and convenient process. Repair Hello is the smart way to get your iPhone and iPad fixed in Lantana. Our experienced repair technicians will come out to your location and repair your phone and tablet securely in front of you while you carry on your day. Phone and iPad screen replacements are our specialty, and we can usually have them completed in under 20 minutes. And for the lowest price near Lantana. Purely contactless repair, COVID-19 safety is guaranteed. Repair Hello, iPhone and iPad screen repair, we come to you.